Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here, and I have a new open with me, and it's the latest Simply Knitting. So while I'm getting into this, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Okay, so the last one arrived in a strange polythene bag, but here we go. So, okay, any more in there? Getting stuck. No. We have a 3mm spiral cable needle, which does look rather snazzy and gold. We have a free gift, which I suspect might be lottery tickets. Let's have a little look inside. They usually are when they are like this, but to be honest, it's a company that just wants you, for you as a subscriber to Simply Knitting voucher. For what? You're able to offer a price difference of £1,000. What? What are they offering me? Oh, holidays. They're going into the holiday business, are they? Okay, let's pop that over there. Possibly won't be needing that. Okay, so this is the magazine. The free gift is there. This today we don't have any other supplements. So what we got? We have Stay Cool in Dinky Denim. As I said before on some of my videos, denim yarn is coming back into vogue again. Button neck men's sweater, Bergère de France, cute stripes for kids. Oh, that's cute. Adorable knits for Easter fun. Spring into our latest great knits. Money off top yarns, budget friendly reader offers, two-way cardie, win over a £500 mega prize, and that's it. So we've got the usual hello page, and this is quite a nice pullover. I'm going to move this gift out of the way because I'm going to knock it off the table. I quite like this one. It's very boxy though, isn't it, if you know what I mean? This one is uneven on both sides, which I quite like and don't like all at the same time. Then we've got this one, reminds me of tie-dyes, and we've got this one, which is quite a chunky looking man's sweater. And we've got toys. We've got a yoga mat cover, which looks nicer than most of the others I've seen. And we've got the denim cardie kind of jacket. We've got this guy, which I think is a doorstop, and socks, and win over £500 worth. Okie doke. Let's have a little looky. Our gift to you this month, basically the spiral cable. That's what it is. Okay, so let's move on. Wish list: shopping, events, inspiration, people and views. So knit this pattern in the next issue. Little advert for next time. Okay, so what have we got? The Scrumpalicious. It's nice, but I find that I didn't really want to get another big fat yarn. I have had some samples of it, but it is quite hefty, especially for crochet. Moorish mohair, very allergic to that, so I'm going to move on. Puppy Perfection. Stylecraft Knit Me Crochet Me. That is beautiful. I do stock that. Absolutely love that yarn to bits. I really do. Mine is cheaper than this though, to be honest with you, in my shop, hobbyrocks.co.uk. If you haven't found it already, then have a little looky. There is also, at the moment, a promo of a free ergonomic crochet hook with your order, which qualifies for it. And there's a pop-up that tells you all about it. Okay, so this is Tartan Bliss by Sean Brown. And we've got quite a lot of pictures of it. It is nice. Out of all of the kind of tartany things, I do quite like that. But we've got a chart. We have charts. You know how much I love charts. Book of the Month, My Little Bears by Zoe Halstead. How much are you then? Let's have a look if we can find it. No. Actually, Book of the Month is Adorable Family Bears by Albert, Victoria, Charlotte and Edward, affectionately known as Teddy. My Little Bears. They're King Cole patterns. Yeah, well, there we go. They are $6.99 to $8.39, and they are King Cole patterns. Different way of doing it than I've seen before. This is the writing in bits and show us yours, and you can win some Karen cakes by doing that. Spring steps. So these are the socks. Have we seen a lot of socks lately in these magazines? Some sock measuring things and some sock stretchers for babies. Lots of socky stuff. Well, these are in merino, superwash merino yarn, and that's by Brona Miskelly. And we've got charts. Yay. Darling denim. So to be honest with you, I cannot see anything denim about this yarn that's used, apart from the colour being blue. But a lot of the yarns, you can really see a denim vibe going on, but I can't actually see anything denim about that at all. What sizes have we got? We've got 4 to 5 years up to heavens only knows, because it's in this ridiculous 10 to 11. I think that is so stupid, putting that on there like that. I mean, why on earth would you do that? It's not exactly easy to read, is it? Okay, that's the Winnie page. Stitchtopia, that's a holiday, craft holiday, £895. Ooh, for 6 days, if you want to go. It's just started raining. I don't know if you can hear it. This is Runswick. Try a new stitch even. Looks a bit ribby. Comfy, squishy fisherman's rib makes the cosiest jumper for your man. This is by Pat Mancini. Okay, what sizes do we have in this? Small up to a 2XL. A little bit easier to see, but not much. Lend a hand bunny box. That's quite cute. I like the look of that. I like some of these things. They give me inspiration. So if you subscribe to Simply Knitting, you can get a Serdai blanket yarn bundle when you subscribe. It's the jewel spun. And there's, again, a little sock thingy that I showed you before, or told you about before, and showed you. So this is the Mismatched Cardigan by Martin Story. And it reminds me of Chanel. Not that it's mismatched, but the actual style of it reminds me of a Chanel cardi that I had when I was younger. Well, it was Chanel-ish. It wasn't exactly Chanel. It was designed upon Chanel's iconic coat. And, yeah, that reminds me of it in a way. A lot. So that's quite nice. And what sizes have we got? 4 to 6 up to a... Well, that's it. It must be a 36, 38. Can't read that one, but I can see by the net one before it what it should be. Get on board the greatest discovery yet for Cruise Collective. Lots of adverts for holidays now. 3 issues of Simply Crochet for $9.99 when you subscribe, but it will go up after those 3 issues to where are we? $34.99 for 6 issues. It's getting louder, that rain, and very dark. So I'm sorry if it's getting dark. King Cole Bumble Chunky. I've not come across that. World of Wool Big Bang Super Chunky. Louisa Harding's Province. Signet Colour Rush Chunkies. Had that before. Rico Summer Sprinkles. I haven't. And Yarn Smith's Play Baby DK. It's getting really loud. I don't know if you can hear it. But those are the yarns they've decided to have a little showcase of. So the King Cole one is $3.79 roughly for 100 grams. The World of Wool is £7.92 for 100 grams. The Louise Harding Province, even more, £14.90 for 100 grams to 250 metres. And then we've got the Signet Colour Rush, $3.29, 100 grams, always nice and much more cheaper. Rico Summer Sprinkles, $8.75 for 100 grams. And the Yarn Smiths comes up at $4.50 for 100 gram. I like these. I just love this one, really. It's so cute. I love the sheepy. Easter Knits. I've never knitted a toy. I used to have one that my auntie made for me when I was young. 3 issues of the Knitter for only £6 if you want it. Beware it would go up though. I like this. Sweet Stripes. I think this is cute. And this is by Berger de France. I do actually really like that cute zebra. And a chart. Oh, I'm in my element now. I love this page, the take a break page. So the Sudoku and the crossword. Cozy cuppa. We've got another tea cozy. I don't have a teapot, so I can't even think about making anything like that. Knitting know-how. These are the questions and answers and stuff. And tells you how to do little bits and bobs. Bunny stops. Yeah, it is a doorstop. There we go. There's the bottom. So yeah, if you like your bunny doorstop. So this is a perfect pose. Centre stage of your yoga class with this wonderfully ribbed yoga mat by Nicola Vialigi. So I think we had a crocheted chevron one in another magazine. Isn't it funny how they all kind of do the same thing? Makes you wonder if they're all like just owned by the same people. Doesn't it really? Missed an issue? This is how you can get your hands on them. And this is called Spring Fling. It does remind me of tie-dye. And it's by Joe Allport, made for Rico. Okay, so this one goes from a small to a 2XL. I really don't like the way they write on, the flimsy kind of looking font on the same but a little bit darker yarn. That I do like. That's really kind of, yeah, I do like that a lot. And I like her back as well. Look at that. I really like that, I have to say. This is by Jane Burns and it's called Berry Cute. So, yeah, better than your average bear, no doubt. How to knit and the abbreviations and your needle sizes. In the next issue, we've got another one that's got different, well, it's not different as much as the other one, but it's still different each side. We've got another little ruler sort of thingy. We've got some slouchy beanie. We've got a fair old tank top. We've got another cushion, as well as baskets, cardies, pullovers, baby stuff, and oh, look at that. That's a tea cozy. And we've got lots more coming. We've got Vikings. The Vikings are coming. Funnily enough, my partner and myself are watching Vikings at this moment. So how apt is that? Isn't it funny how coincidences happen like that? This is called Plump Purse. And it's by Becca Parker. And it's a little clutch, really. Or you can use it as a makeup bag, like here. It's not big, as you can see, because the scrunchie is... And there's your makeup really showing just the size of it. But I like that. That's quite sweet. Very pretty. Okay, so that's the magazine. And this is the free gift. I'm going to ignore the holiday thing. They're just trying to sell holidays. So there we go. That's the whole thing. Tell me, what do you think? Do you like it? Is it one you'd buy? Is there things in there that you like if you're a knitter? Okay, so like I said before, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye-bye for now.